here, make sure to smash that subscribe button and drop a like on this video. And today, I've got something very special. Scruff Surprise Vet Rescue. Ooh. And right here on the back, you even get a vet accessory. And I guess this like turns into a bed. So that's gonna be really cool. Let's get unboxing. All right, tear strip. I see a very tiny one. Okay, it's like a little zipper. It's kind of hard to do. Well, the tear strip doesn't work. It probably doesn't work because it's really small. That's the tear strip. That line right there. Well, okay, it does work a little bit. This is so cute. It has a little paw on it. And it's like a little bag. Let's pop it open. This must be our little animal we have to rescue. Our surprise. And like what to do with it, which is pretty cool. And this is all the ones that you can get. Okay, I'm hoping for the red panda. It's right there. Hoping for that. And then this is the bed, and what you do is you just push it together, and then you have a little bed for your pet. I'm gonna flip it over. So let's, okay, we're just doing that. All right, I already don't really, I'm not enjoying it as much because this is getting all stuck, like, to the blanket, which I don't like that at all. Yeah, that's not very nice. This blanket is really, and now it's stuck on my fingers. So, that's already one thing I don't like about it. This blanket is really cute though. It's snowflakes. I'm just gonna put it in the bed. Let's see. Oh boy. Here is our little cute thing. How do you unroll it? Oh, wait, which one did we get? Oh, it looks like a little bunny. It's so cute. We got Snow Bunny! Yay! Adorable. Okay. So first, rub away fleas to heal. I don't see any fleas on her. Just rub anyway. Oh, there was one thing on her. What in the world? Just gotta rub away the fleas. There was one, like, thing right here. Actually, I don't know if there was. I already got another complaint. Her hair is falling out, which I don't like. Warm the broken heart. Am I missing something? What? Okay, we're gonna open up this before you do anything. It's a thermometer. Okay. She seems pretty happy to me. We're just gonna rub her, I guess. Warm the broken heart. I'm warming it. Nothing is happening. Okay. And one thing I'm just gonna say about this right off the bat, it does not have anything on here. Like, I don't know if that's just for you to pretend there's stuff on there, but all is that it says, this literally has nothing on it. So I'm like rubbing nothing. I'm just sitting here like this, and like there's nothing. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but literally, there was no fleas on it, no tears, no broken heart, and no, like, Sadness. I don't know. This makes no sense. Alright, well, that was the first one we got. And I have another surprise. We've got a blue one. Another one. So let's just get right into opening. Yeah, that was a little disappointing. I'm not gonna lie. It was pretty disappointing, actually. Pretty disappointed. Because I thought it was gonna do something, but there's like no fleas or anything on it. Maybe it color changes, but it doesn't say that anywhere, that it color changes. They are using a sponge, but like, it doesn't say use water, it just says use the accessory supplied. So that's what I did. Here it is, same design, front and back. Let's just get it open and over with. All right, same thing. Don't really like this around it. We've got another one of these and the checklist. Oh wait, okay. So we're just gonna make the bed and we're gonna see if this actually is gonna work or not. We're gonna do everything exactly the way it says. Okay. This one has stuff on it. Like, do you see this one has like spots on it, but this one like doesn't have anything. That's weird. Okay, first remove the fleas. It's working. It's working. Okay, warm the broken heart. I'm warming the broken heart. Once again, there's no heart. It's just like, okay, heat. I'm heating it. I don't see anything on there. Do you guys? Because I don't. Rub away. Wipe the tears. We gotta wipe the tears. So let's just get the blanket because that's what it shows, and we're just gonna wipe away the tears. I'm wiping it. I don't know if you can see. There's absolutely no tears on it, but I'm just gonna wipe it. Perfect. And now rub using the accessory supplied. Oh, cool. We got a syringe. We just gotta rub it. I'm rubbing it with the accessory that is supplied. Scrub, scrubbing, 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 rub, rub. Nothing's happening. Like scrubbing. All right. Well, most of the things are off, like the dots. Most of them are. I rate this toy a 2 out of 10 because it's like, it doesn't do what it says it's supposed to do. Like, there's no tears to wipe away, and on here it shows like little, like dirt or like bugs on its face. I mean, this one did have the little, it looked like chicken pox. It did have the little dots on it, but like none of them showed a broken heart where it says, and then like no tears. And when you rub the accessory on them, it doesn't do nothing. Like literally doesn't do anything. So yeah, that's why it's a 2 out of 10. I don't recommend it. Once again, that's just my opinion. You can think whatever you want. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Bye!